Are you ready to unlock a new world of passive income and creativity? Imagine publishing your own books on Amazon without writing a single word. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because I'm about to introduce you to AzonKDP, a revolutionary tool that's changing the game for self-publishing. Now let's talk about the big picture. Kindle publishing is booming. By 2025, it's projected to be worth over $1.5 billion. And Amazon already has an audience of over 310 million potential readers. That's massive. But here's the thing, traditional publishing is tough. Writing a book takes months, and that's before you even think about editing, formatting, cover design, or figuring out how to get it on Amazon. Not to mention the costs involved. This is where AzonKDP comes in. It's an all-in-one AI-powered assistant that makes Kindle publishing simple, fast, and, dare I say, fun. Here's the kicker. With AzonKDP, you don't have to write a single word. That's right, no writing required. Instead, the software uses cutting-edge AI to create high-quality, plagiarism-free content for you in seconds. Fiction, non-fiction, self-help, children's books. You name it, AzonKDP has you covered. And it doesn't stop at content creation. It also handles formatting, cover design, and even market research. Let me break that down. First, it helps you find profitable niches. The advanced keyword and category research tools show you where the money is. Those hidden gems other people miss. Next, it generates professional quality content tailored to your chosen niche. Then, it formats the book according to Amazon's requirements, designs a stunning cover with its AI-powered tools. And, get this, you can hit publish in just 60 seconds. Yes, 1 minute. And it's not just about publishing fast, it's about publishing smart. AzonKDP includes competitor analysis tools, so you can see what's working for others and use that data to boost your success. Plus, it supports over 100 languages, meaning your books can reach a global audience. Here's the best part. It's all yours for a one-time fee of just $17. That's less than what most people spend on coffee in a week. And there are no hidden costs or monthly subscriptions eating into your profits. Plus, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in giving it a try. Let's not forget the testimonials. People like Peter Holmquist have published over 1,500 books and built substantial income streams using AzonKDP. Even industry experts are calling it a game changer. Amazon reportedly paid out $370 million to KDP publishers in 2023 alone. So why not claim your piece of the pie? Now, who is AzonKDP for? Pretty much anyone. Whether you're an aspiring author, an entrepreneur looking for passive income, or someone who's never published a thing in your life, AzonKDP makes it possible. You don't need technical skills or prior experience, just ideas and a willingness to get started. So, if you've ever dreamed of publishing your own books or building a side hustle that could turn into something bigger, AzonKDP might just be your golden ticket. It's quick, affordable, and packed with tools to set you up for success in the booming world of Kindle publishing. Take a look at the awesome bonuses that you will get if you pick this up through me. There's a list in the description below. So what are you waiting for? Start your publishing journey today with AzonKDP. Don't let this opportunity slip by. And before you go, do me a favor. Hit the like button, share this video with a friend who needs to hear about this, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tips and tools. Let's turn your ideas into income together. See you in the next one.
Did you know Amazon paid out $370 million to KDP publishers in 2023? That's right, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is booming with over 6 million active users browsing the Kindle store every day. The demand for digital content is skyrocketing, and now is the perfect time to get in. With the market expected to hit $1.5 billion by 2025, thousands of people are cashing in on this $100 billion industry. question is, will you be next? Take Peter Holmquist, for example. He published over 1,534 books on Amazon Kindle and generated $4,119,550 in earnings, harnessing the power of AI. And he's not alone. Thomas, Sean Dalwet, Delphine Tamukong, and many others are earning tens of thousands of dollars monthly with KDP. But here's the problem. Most people think publishing a bestseller requires endless writing, editing, and marketing. If you thought publishing was difficult, then what I'm about to show you will change everything you thought you knew. What if you could have your own dedicated Amazon publishing AI assistant that helps you create, publish, and rank best-selling Kindle books faster than you ever imagined? Yes, that's right. AzonKDP isn't just another ebook creator. It's a complete publishing powerhouse that makes building an Amazon publishing empire easier than ever. Introducing AzonKDP, the world's first Amazon publishing AI assistant. AzonKDP does everything you need to create best-selling books on Amazon in just 60 seconds. With AzonKDP, you can instantly research profitable keywords that help you dominate Amazon's charts, uncover hidden niche categories with low competition for your books, spy on your competitor, and show you how to outperform them. Create high-quality Kindle books without writing a single word. Publish to 310 million Amazon users and other platforms like Google Books, Apple Books, and more. Rank your books with built-in SEO and keyword research tools. Reach a global audience by publishing in over 100+ languages. Automate the entire publishing process with just a few clicks. And AzonKDP does all of this faster and smarter than any other tool out there. Why AzonKDP is 16 times smarter than other publishing tools. Here's why AzonKDP stands out from the rest. We've combined the power of AI from tech giants like Google, Microsoft, and Amazon into one platform. AzonKDP isn't just a tool for writing ebooks. It's a complete Amazon publishing assistant that does everything from keyword research to automated book creation and multi-platform publishing. No more endless writing, editing, or formatting. AzonKDP takes care of all the tedious tasks for you, so you can focus on building your income stream. But that's not all. Unlike other tools that leave you guessing, AzonKDP gives you real-time insights on how to rank your book, optimize your content, and outperform your competition. Whether you're writing fiction, non-fiction, children's books, or self-help guides, AzonKDP has you covered. Here's how you can start making money with AzonKDP today. You could easily go on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer and charge hundreds or even thousands of dollars to create Kindle books for others. Or you could use AzonKDP to publish your own books and earn passive income every single day without lifting a finger. From researching keywords to publishing across multiple platforms, AzonKDP does all the heavy lifting. Your books will be in front of 310 million Amazon users without spending a penny on ads, SEO, or paid traffic. And guess what? All this takes less than 60 seconds. It's time to automate your entire publishing business. With AzonKDP, you're not just getting an ebook creator, you're getting a complete AI-powered system that helps you dominate Amazon Kindle publishing from every angle. AI-driven keyword research to find profitable niches, automated formatting and publishing across Amazon KDP, Google Play Books, and more. Discover hidden categories that give you a competitive edge over other authors. Real-time competitor analysis to see exactly what's working and how you can outperform others. Create best-selling content in multiple languages to reach a global audience. In just 3 simple steps, you can turn your ideas into best-selling Kindle books without writing, editing, or marketing. Step 1. Click the yellow button below to grab AzonKDP at a one-time price. Monthly pricing kicks in soon, so act fast. Step 2. Log into AzonKDP and type in your request, whether it's to create a book, research keywords, or optimize your content for higher rankings. Step 3. Click enter and watch AzonKDP handle everything for you in 60 seconds flat. What makes AzonKDP the ultimate game changer? You don't need to be a tech expert or a professional writer to use AzonKDP. If you can click a button, you can publish a best-selling book. AzonKDP is backed by cutting-edge AI AI technology from Microsoft, Google, and Amazon, making it 16 times more powerful than any other ebook creator on the market. While other tools are outdated and limited, AzonKDP gives you access to real-time data, so your books are always ranked with the most relevant, up-to-date information. And here's the kicker: there are no hidden fees or monthly subscriptions. Pay once and enjoy full access to everything AzonKDP has to offer. The clock is ticking. Don't miss out. Right now, you can get AzonKDP at a low one-time price, but that won't last long. Soon, we'll be switching to a monthly subscription to support our server costs. Why wait? Start publishing your bestseller today without the hassle of writing, editing, or marketing. AzonKDP does it all for you, so you can focus on what matters: building your publishing empire. Click the button below to get AzonKDP now while it's still available at a one-time price. Your success is guaranteed. 30 days risk-free. We're so confident that AzonKDP will transform your publishing journey that we're offering a 30-day risk-free guarantee. If you don't absolutely love AzonKDP, just let us know and we'll refund 100% of your money. No questions asked. With AzonKDP, there's absolutely no way you can lose. But hurry, this offer won't last forever. Get AzonKDP now and start publishing bestsellers in 60 seconds or less.